Today we're going to be looking at nonfiction text features. And in our Google Classroom today, we're going to be looking at a whole bunch of different ones that you can find in a nonfiction book. Our first couple screens have to do with table of contents. Table of contents is found at the beginning of your book, your nonfiction book, and it helps to show you where things are in the book. So this is just an example, but you can find a list of the table of contents at the beginning of your nonfiction book. This table of contents has birds, dogs, cats, squirrels, deer, and chipmunks, and then if you follow the dots along, you can see what pages they start on. So if I wanted to find information about birds, I'd find the word birds and I'd follow the dots along and see that it starts on page 3. So here's what you need to do to answer the question below. It says, where can I find information on cats? So what I would do is I would find the word cats. There it is. I'd follow the dots along and I'd see that I can find information on page 8. So I'm going to double click my question mark and I'm going to type the number 8 because I can find information on page 8. You can go ahead and practice on the other 4 and then watch the next video about title pages when you're finished.